Wi-Fi connected.
Oh, I'm connected. I'm gonna transfer the videos. Today we're going to bring a dash camera. And this dash camera comes with already a memory stick in here. It comes with a 64 gigs of memory already in here, so you guys can see it, so you don't have to worry about buying or purchasing anything. Now on the side of it, you're going to get your power connection, your Type-C connection, and then the connection for the actual backup camera. Right now we're going to set it up today, but first we're going to set up on our phone to make sure we're getting the proper connection. Right, we already have power here from the existing camera we used to have. We're going to set it up right underneath here, and then make sure it's leveled to the place that we want it to. The name of the application, it's for either Android or Apple, is GKU Go. All right, so we have it installed. We're going to enable it. Here's the application. We have it set up. If you guys can see it, it's recording. If you want to give it GPS coordinates, you can do that. You can enable that. It gives you the speeds that you're driving on, take pictures, record, transfer video. You could do all that within the actual system itself. For right now, we're going to go ahead and set it up on our phone and see how well it works. So we're going to set up and align the actual camera. All right, for reference, I'm using my phone and the Wi-Fi connection just to align this thing, and I'm using somebody in front of me so I can make sure that I'm going to see the individual, and then plug this in here. You guys can see that. Roll it out to where you want to make sure you see the proper setup, and then that's it. That's pretty much it. It's permanent there. We are going to power it up right now with this cable here, but we're set up already and we have it permanently fixed in there. If you ever want to remove it, you can. They give you extra adhesive. I'm looking at the actual camera here, if you guys can see that. All right, here's the actual application on the app. All right, it's very simple. So if you ever want to go back to your camera files, you can go into files here. If you guys can see that, it's going to stop recording on the files and it captures everything. So right now we're going to save this file here that we want, download the file into my phone. All right, once it captures the phone data, you're able to transfer it directly to anybody that needs it. So if you ever get into any accident, hopefully never happens, you have the data right away. All right, now we have the backup camera too, and to do the backup camera, I'm going to show you guys right here. Swap the camera in the corner. All right, we're going to see in the back it is a little too high, so we're going to raise it down. So this is how we just adjust the camera. The camera has adjustments, very simple to adjust. All right, so here we have the backup camera working very well, having the visual in the back, and like I said, I could always start capturing.